High Wind Watch. Issued at Saturday, 3:07 p.m. February 15, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description. Wet. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour possible. Where Washington, D.C. and portions of central, northern, and southern Maryland, central and northern Virginia, and eastern West Virginia. Wind from Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. The strongest wind gusts are expected Sunday afternoon. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour may linger at times through Monday. Recommended action. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds.